We're up, party people. Party people daw. Oh, di ko na sasabihin kung anong i-content natin guys ha. Alam nyo na yan. It's all about sketching, drawing. Pero especially guys, iba-iba yung dinodrawing natin. Hindi lang iisa. Pero for today's video guys, si Naruto ang i-sketch or drawing natin. Si Naruto at saka si Kurama. And sa part na to guys, papatungin na natin ng ballpen. Kasi tapos na tayo mag-sketch. And pagkatapos nito guys, etc. Charot. And pagkatapos nito pagpapatong ng ballpen, natural, pagkukulay na tayo. Kaya tara guys, humaba ng kwento. Wala na maraming dada. Kaya tara, let's go! Energen. Baka naman. Itong Energen pala guys, ito ay pagpaalis ng antok ko. Paggabi ako nag-draw. Ang sarap kasi niya, para siyang may biskuit or something. Hanggang dito na lang ang ating video guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. And bago matapos to, papakitaan ko kayo ng kapirasong montage.
You can't put your trust in no man, no man, no man, no man. I pull up just to see what's up. Whip came without the guts. Texas in my triple cup. I'm tripping